Hi, thank you for tuning in. This is an instructional video on how to set up the LightMD LightPad straight from the box. So you will unwrap each of your individual light pads and get yourself a set of 3. So where there is two pads with 2 USB outputs and 1 pad with 3. That's considered a set. So take those out of the box. You'll get your set of connectors, which look like this, and your plastic tabs. So I'm going to show you this, and you only have to do this once, but this is the initial setup straight from the box. So each of these tabs has an indentation where you can see the shape would fit perfectly. So we're going to start by placing these tabs right in the hole where it would fit. Like I said, you only have to do this once. So we'll place it in all 3 connectors. And as you can see, it's flush on this end, and on this end it has a plastic knob. So we'll leave those there, and we have 1 more to go. So next we will take the pads, and as you can see on the right side of the pad it has the same indentation for the plastic tab. I will place these pads on a flat surface and place the plastic tab in the hole. Now you'll have to lift up a tad and press. You always want to put the pressure on the plastic tab and not on the pad itself. So there you go. Second pad, indentation, plastic piece, surface, and it's flush. Lastly, same place. Now you're set up. You don't ever have to do that again, so your initial part of the setup is complete for your pads. Now, how to connect them together. Push pause.